Stop scrolling if you love fresh herbs. Did you know it's possible to have vibrant, fresh herbs at your fingertips all year long, even in the coldest months? Here's how. First, create your very own mini indoor herb garden with easy maintenance herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. They thrive even with a little sunlight. Next, invest in mason jars for herb preservation. Keep your harvest fresh for weeks using this simple hack. Finally, try growing herbs on your windowsill. It doesn't just look stunning, it's nature's own wellness booster right in your home. Implementing these tips will give you an endless supply of the freshest, natural ingredients while saving money and improving your health. Don't let the seasons dictate your access to nature's bounty. Hit play today and start your herb journey. Follow for daily herb wisdom from your healing harbor.